Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how I made this glitter tumbler with rhinestone ghosts. Cute ghosts seem to be very trendy in the fall and seasonal decor world, and I think they are so adorable, and I really wanted to make some sort of project that could incorporate them. So this is what I came up with, and I really hope you enjoy it. It's a black glitter tumbler that has the added detail of 4 little rhinestone ghosts. As far as rhinestone projects go, this one is pretty quick because instead of rhinestoning the entire cup, I just did those 4 little ghosts. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. I started with this black stainless steel wine tumbler. I applied a coat of Mod Podge all over the cup using a foam brush. Then I sprinkled a layer of black glitter onto the Mod Podge, covering the entire cup. Putting a layer of parchment paper underneath makes it really easy to dump the excess glitter back into your container. I let the Mod Podge fully dry for about an hour, and then I applied a layer of UV resin to seal in the glitter. You could also use 2-part resin for this. I just prefer UV resin because it cures very quickly. I used a gloved hand to smooth out the resin and a lighter to pop any bubbles. Then I cured the resin for a few minutes under a UV lamp. I created my ghost design in Canva. I made a document that was 10 inches wide and 4.5 inches tall, which is roughly the size of my tumbler. I searched Cute Ghost in the Elements tab and found this ghost design, which I duplicated to make 4 copies, flipped 2 of them horizontally, and arranged them tilting back and forth. Once I was happy with my design, I created another page and arranged the ghosts all side by side in order to save vinyl when I cut them out. Because the ghosts are just outlines, I saved this as a PNG without a transparent background, and then when I uploaded the file to Cricut Design Space, I used the wand tool to remove the background and just the eye holes, so that the outline would be filled in. Then I resized my design to be 3.5 inches wide and cut it out of white vinyl with my Cricut machine. I used transfer tape to apply the ghosts to the cup in the same arrangement as my original Canva design. And then I was ready to start rhinestoning. I used white AB rhinestones in 2mm, 3mm, and 4mm sizes. My favorite glue for rhinestone projects is called Gem Tack by the brand Beacon, and normally I transfer it into a precision tip bottle, but I made this at the cottage and I forgot my precision tip bottles at home. I use a wax pencil to pick up and place my rhinestones. There are links to all of these products in the description of this video. Next, I rhinestoned each of the ghosts. I started by applying a line of gem tack around the outer edge of the ghost and used my 3mm stones to create the outline. Then I outlined each of the eyes with 2mm stones. Next, I filled in the remaining space using mostly the largest 4mm size stones, but also using the 2 and 3mm stones to fill in any gaps as needed. I repeated this with all 4 of the ghosts. And here is the final result. I usually allow my gem tack to dry for a full 7 days before washing to make sure the glue is fully cured and I'm not going to lose any stones. After 7 days, you can hand wash your tumbler using dish soap and a bristled brush. I have another video tutorial demonstrating how I wash my rhinestone tumblers if you've never done it before. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of projects you'd like to see in the future. See you later!